Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is referred to as a mobile palace that blends the luxury of a five-star hotel with the speed of a Ferrari. This vehicle is a marvel of engineering and design, not simply a typical motorhome, and it is intended for people who expect the highest level of luxury and performance. Brabus Motorhome 2026. External, with a bold and streamlined Brabus design. This automobile is enhanced with 22-inch forged wheels and carbon fiber embellishments. Usually comes in a premium, shadow black paint that conveys an air of luxury and mystery. Featuring contemporary lighting, integrated awnings, and enormous panoramic windows. Some ideas even propose having a hidden garage where sports automobiles could be kept. Interior and luxury. The pinnacle of luxury is found in the interior. High-end materials including aluminum, carbon fiber trim, diamond-stitched Napa leather, marble, and Alcantara are all used. The interior has a penthouse-like design. A gourmet kitchen, a king-size suite master bedroom, and a lounge with panoramic windows are all present. Modern equipment in the kitchen allow you to prepare delectable meals while on the road. A Burmester 3D audio system, an old TV, and intelligent ambient lighting are further features. A twin-turbo V8 engine tuned by Brabus powers this RV. Even if the numbers vary, it performs admirably, producing up to 900 horsepower and more than 1,100 pounds-ft of torque. For the best handling and comfort on the road and over uneven terrain, it has an adaptable air suspension to guarantee traction and stability in a range of driving conditions. It has an advanced all-wheel drive system, a 5G smart home system installed in the 2026 Brabus Motorhome enables complete control over a number of vehicle operations. The driver may navigate and keep an eye on the surroundings with the aid of a 360 camera system and augmented reality, no matter where they are. Customers can stay connected thanks to satellite internet connectivity, has safety and technology features.